Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I can show you how to make steamed mussel with Thai dipping sauce or หอยแมลงภู่อบใบโหระพากับน้ำจิ้มรสเด็ดToday I use the New Zealand mussel. They being already cooked and I had to find the fresh one, so I bought a frozen and they already cooked, and also they already removed one side of the shell. And I already clean for make sure all the shell is clean and remove extra hair, because sometimes even they already cook for you, still have extra hair and extra shell, so just make sure you clean them very good. And today we're gonna steam our mussel with the Thai herb. So I'm gonna start with our lemongrass. So use the back of your knife to break the lemongrass slowly, so the extra oil from lemongrass come out. I use 2 lemongrass. We can cut them the big chunk. Just cut the lemongrass to big chunk, and I'm gonna put our lemongrass to bottom our pot. And next, our galangal. This one, the not ginger. This galangal, we use the galangal for cook our tom yum soup a lot of Thai recipe. Today, very hard to cut, so be careful. Okay, I will use 4 slices the galangal, but at the bottom part it's very hard to cut, so be careful. And then I'm gonna put in the pot also, and I will use about 5 kaffir lime leaf, put into the bottom. The cilantro stem, about 15 cilantro stem. Okay, and now I'm gonna put our mussel. Gonna put all inside the pot. I use 2 pound mussel, but don't worry about all the recipe. You can go to the spoonforkheart.com to get all the ingredient and recipe and the extra picture for you too. And the last herb I'm gonna put on top is a Thai basil. You don't have, you just cut into the big chunk the same. The stem and everything is to be okay, because we just want all the flavors. So gonna put the Thai basil on top, and also I will put the 3-4 cup water. So we just gonna steam them, so we just need a little bit of water, so our mussel not getting burned. And I will add a little bit of salt. Just little bit, depend on the salt. Okay, I turn the high heat, and we will steam our mussel for 8 minutes, and we come back and check together. While our mussel steaming, now we can come and make our delicious dipping sauce. Okay, we're gonna make a Thai style dipping sauce, and it will be spicy. So I will put about 15 Thai chili, but for spicy, 15 Thai chili very spicy, so it's up to you. And 8 cloves garlic, and 1 tablespoon cilantro stem, and 1 tablespoon very thinly sliced lemongrass. Just use the bottom part. Okay, so chili, garlic, lemongrass, and cilantro stem. And now I'm gonna pound everything together. Okay, now we almost ready for the chili and garlic and cilantro stem and lemongrass. Now they're looking good to me. Next, I'm gonna add palm sugar, 2 tablespoons palm sugar. Now all sugar dissolved. Next, I'm gonna add the lime juice. I use 3 tablespoons lime juice. Okay, and just mix a little bit. And next, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons fish sauce. Wow, and mix everything together. Now our dipping sauce done. I'm gonna put it on the side. Oh, look at this, spicy. Looks spicy and look really good also. Okay, and take me about 8 minutes for our dipping sauce. So perfect time for our steamed mussel. Let's check it together. Wow. Smell really good with all the herb. Okay, now I'm gonna turn off our stove. Wow, and now we ready to serve our steamed mussel. And now to serve our steamed mussel, I will put some herb on the bottom, a little bit, and put our mussel. Put mustard you like inside the serving plate. They smell really good. I really want to try like now. And I will decorate with the fresh basil on the top. Wow. Now we ready to try our steamed mussel with Thai dipping sauce. Okay, and now I'm ready to try it. My mouth watering like now. I put all the sauce on top, mustard you like, but this will be spicy, but I love spicy. Okay, so now I'm gonna Wow. Spicy, sour, and very tasty dipping sauce. Wow, this is spicy but really good with all the herb flavored from our steamed mussel, and very tasty for the dipping sauce. Super easy to make. What make me want to eat more and more and more because it's spicy and all the herb flavored. And easy to make. Also, I want you guys like and try this recipe. If you like the video and recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Bye bye.